Are you looking for a promising career opportunity in the field of agriculture and technology? Look no further. Farsin Vasham, Nita Banda University of Agriculture Technology, Buat, is now recruiting for the year 2024 with a total of 11 vacancies for the positions of assistant professor, associate professor, and professor. This is your chance to join a prestigious organization and contribute to the advancement of the agriculture and technology sector. To be eligible for the position of assistant professor, candidates must possess a master's degree with 55% marks or equivalent. In addition, candidates should have either cleared the National Eligibility Test (NET) or hold a PhD degree. Candidates with a PhD from a foreign university ranked among the top 500 in the world. University ranking are also eligible to apply. Before applying, we strongly encourage you to carefully read the official SARS notification for detailed requirements. For those interested in the position of associate professor, a PhD, in the relevant field is mandatory, along with a master's degree with 55% marks or equivalent. Additionally, a minimum of 8 years of teaching or research experience, as well as publications, is required. Make sure to thoroughly review the official notification before submitting your application. Buat offers competitive pay scales for its recruits. Assistant professors will be placed at academic level 10 with a rationalized entry pay of Rs 57,400. Associate professors will enjoy academic level 13A with a rationalized entry pay of Rs 131,400. Meanwhile, professors will be placed at academic level 14 with a rationalized entry pay of Rs 1,420. Don't miss this opportunity to shape the future of agriculture and technology. The deadline to submit your application is March 30th, 2024. Visit the official website of Banda, University of Agriculture Technology at www.buat.edu, and to access the official notification and apply today. Take the first step towards a rewarding career with Buat Recruitment 2024.